favourites, from Black Forest to gingerbread.
Are you tired of hearing the same old stories? Step aside, glass slippers, enchanted roses, and seashell bras. Seriously, if I see one more actor singing to woodland creatures, I'm going to lose my cool. Let's ditch the ice palaces. Ready for something with a little more fire? Dive into the underworld with Disney's new West End musical, Hercules, opening this June at Theatre Royal Drury Lane. Get ready for the time of your afterlife. Tickets.
QLED smart TVs only £899.
And the main video doorbell and chime only £59.
December, delivery from £3.99.
Okay, Mum, Dad, you're in our room. We're in Jess's room. Jess, Daisy, Sophie and Layla, you're in Daisy's room. Yes. Nan, you're in the spare room. Michael, Mickey, you've won the sofa. Oh. Uncle John, you're in the living room floor. Auntie Trish and Uncle Colin, you're in the utility room. Pete, you're in the shed. Better get a travel lodge. Find king-size comfort up and down the country at travellodge.co.uk.
Is there a Toyota for my plumbing company?
Yeah, of course there is.
And my mobile florist business?
There's a bunch.
Construction?
Mm-hmm.
Fresh fruit grocers?
Yep.
Catering?
Yeah.
Electricians? DIY enthusiasts?
Indeed.
Locksmiths?
Yeah, of course.
Landscaping?
Yeah. Whatever your business, there's a Toyota for that. Search for the new Toyota Pro-Ace Electric to find out more.
Here's your VIP invite to the UK's most spectacular Christmas party. Save the Children's Christmas Jumper Day is back on Thursday the 12th of December, and you need to be part of it. It really couldn't be easier. Sign up, get your jumper out and donate to create lasting change for children. On Thursday the 12th.